Got a '07 Toyota Camry doing a fuel pump. Just gonna get straight to the point, man. If you like videos short and sweet to the point and you got mechanical ability already, subscribe to me. I ain't finna go through every step, but it's simple. Finna get to the point. I already got it installed. Pop the seat out. It's 2 clips that go in these corners, and they kind of a bitch to get out, but if you yank hard enough on the seat, pull up under there, it'll pop out of there. And you're gonna need an 8mm. Take all those bolts around the outside of the pump, remove. Easy. You got one connector, and then you got the fuel line, and it just sits in there. And it got this yellow clip right here. You don't want to break this, so be careful with it. You slide it out the slot. That's it. Job is done. Somebody's gonna come in with a complaint like hard starting. This one didn't go all the way out yet or anything, but it got a hard starting issue. And did all my troubleshooting on it, check all the pressures, and it ended up being a fuel pump. I think this is a common issue on these Toyotas, so you'll probably be seeing a few of them come in and out your shop, or if you're just doing it yourself and you want to try it, it's pretty, I would say it's a C-level job. The diagnostics is probably a little bit more advanced if you don't do this every day, but that'll get it, man.